What is going on, everyone? Andrew from IDB here. Satechi has announced a new charging stand for the iPhone and the Apple Watch, and we get to go hands-on. It is a really great addition, and it's kind of modular depending on what you're looking for. So basically just kind of this aluminum base here with two pucks that go on top. So on the left in this model, we have the lightning charger. You could of course use maybe a micro USB if you're more on the Android side of things, but if you're using an Apple Watch, you might want that. So we have an Apple Watch on the right hand side and the iPhone charger on the left hand side. Unfortunately, you do need to provide your own Apple Watch charging puck, so it's not integrated, but that does keep the price down. It does charge over USB-C, which is super awesome if you're a fan of USB-C open standards, making it really easy. Start to use more of those USB-C chargers that have started to trickle out. At CES here, they had two different color options available to check out, both that darker space gray option and this gold option. And you can see their entire lineup. We've gone hands-on with pretty much all this stuff, so if there's anything in this shot that's kind of jumping out to you, definitely check out our other videos if you want to see it. But this meshes well into their full lineup of other desktop products. So this will be launching very soon. Satechi plans to release the Smart Dual Charging Stand in spring of 2018. It'll run you $64.99, but remember, that doesn't include any of the cables for either your Apple Watch or your smartphone, so you'll have to keep that in mind when budgeting this out. Go ahead and subscribe, throw up any questions down below in the comments, and until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.